this is what you usually or a typical Paskong Pinoy, since you're not very familiar with Paskong Pinoy.
No, it's more like fiesta.
And this is what we usually do, Simbang Gabi, that is mass at night. And if you want, you can do that, but it's one we usually This is what we call the bells. See, it's moving, Mama Martin. It's moving, Sir Rupert. Okay, that's the bell. What we call the Filipino bell. Okay? And then let me tour you, Sir Rupert and Papa Mark, to our typical home.
Oh my God.
This is what we call the Noche Buena. Usually, evening time, and we have surprise. We can also surprise. But since you just came from the hospital, yes, Papa Mark. Anyway, you can just take your picture with us. So that's the beginning. And of course, we call those stars, we call that parol. Yes, this is the parol. Yes. You can buy that only for 10 pesos. Yes.
Give me
That's
two of them.
And of course, there is the caroling, Papa Mark. And we usually use those
Don't quit your day job.
Lastly, Papa Mark, there's of course the manger, but we call that Belem or Sagsabal in Filipino. And yes, you can do that.
Beleng.
Very handsome.
Yes. However, Papa Mark, there's something we can do here. The three kings. And we want to show you the live three kings.
Yes.
While singing Sarah's Lake in Tagalog.
Malamig ang simoy ng hangin.
That ends our tour, Papa Mark.
We'll have to say that's the first one with a live presentation.
Naka-bathrobe.
Ay, kung pumayag ka mama na ikaw mag